so suppose your friend will say today market is closed. Okay, so what you will do, you will not perform this action. Okay, like similar, if in the business bin is going to be below quantity, okay, then automatically indicator will be on, then everyone will come to know, okay, because lights are blinking, it means this bin is empty. Okay, so you will go there, the warehouse workers. If this fully automated warehouse, automatically machine like robots will come, they will bring the material, then human will fill this. Okay, so behind all the bins we have the sensors. Sensor continuously sees how many bins are there, how many bins has material, or which bins is going to be empty. Suppose here we have one bin, two bin. Now suppose sensor is there, one more sensor is there, is continuously looking for this bin. So this sensor will tell to here in the indicator or the system, here we require two more bins with the full of the material. Then warehouse resource or business, what they will do, they fill the material here. Already they will fill the material. So why they will fill the material? Because this is beneficial for the business. Okay, so instead of like the warehouse worker, when they will come, they will feel like they will see the bin is does not have the material. So like same example you can consider. Okay, if you go to shop to purchase the rice, and if the shop is closed, again you have to return back to your home. Okay, but if your friend, but shop owner is your friend, okay, you call, today's shop open or close, he will say no, today I have not opened the shop. Okay, so you will not go. Okay, like similar, this sensors continuous reads. Okay, this comes under the automatic replenishment process. Very first point. Another point, automatic replenishment process in the warehouse with electronic Kanban. Because here we have sensors, IoT devices. Okay, so this is about the automatically replenishment process in the businesses. Thank you very much guys. Like, subscribe, see you again. Take care.